So I have officially decided that I'm gonna do a New York vlog.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be.
How was the flight for y'all? Yes, sir.
So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
We looking for somewhere to eat. To sit down and eat. I forgot to update y'all because I was so hungry. But we sat down at this pizza place. And we got food from another place. And now we're just eating. I have chicken club paninis. And then I got some fries. And I eat it too. But after this, we're gonna go to Central Park and walk around there. And yeah. And then later on we're going to the Color Factory. So I'll check in with y'all there when we walk into Central Park. So we just arrived at Central Park. Well, kinda. We on the outskirts of it. So we did end up taking a horse and carriage. We on it right now. We got the purple buggy. We're gonna go around Central. So right now, I skipped a lot. I forgot to update y'all, but right now we are at the Color Factory. You see all the different colors. And then, so this is me and my mom's second time here, but Chelsea's first. So I just registered, and then so we're gonna scan this. I'll show y'all later. But look how cool this is. They have macaroons on a conveyor belt that we can just take and eat. So we're gonna try one.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
So I chose green. Ooh, don't mind my nail. Just because I got on green. She got orange. Mama, what color did you get? Orange. They basic. They both want orange.
Because I have an orange.
You have red.
Oh, here.
Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe.
So this room is all about making sounds and sing me high, sing me low, bring me back, let me go.
You give me a really good feeling. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good.
This room is so dope. It changes with the colors. Like the wall changes with the colors. So you know, like that TikTok challenge with the red and blue. Beyonce always said black girls don't look good in blue light. And it's the truth. Beyonce said black girls don't look good in blue light. She ain't lie.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow.
thing they gave us was some gelato, and then also a prize, and you get to pick from a prize. And I picked a pen, it's like a blue whale, and my mom gave me hers, which is an air freshener. This was so much fun. This is our second time here. Loved it. They changed some things, like the sprinkle, the shower confetti room, that was different. Like that changing color room, that was different. How you rate your second visit? You gotta come closer.
Let's go.
1 to 10.
10.
It was better than last time? Well, so we are about to go. We're probably gonna go get something to eat. So I keep forgetting to pull out the camera, but we're at Junior's. Just ate. I haven't slept since yesterday at 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I didn't go to sleep last night. We're about to eat, probably go to Times Square and then go home because I'm tired. So we finished eating our food. Now we about to go walk down to Times Square. It is now probably like 9 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, whatever. I don't think I updated when I got back to the hotel. I don't know, maybe I did. But right now, me and my mom are about to go downstairs and get some breakfast. I want to order a bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant. I was knocked out. I slept so good last night. So good. Today, on today's agenda, we're gonna go get breakfast. We're gonna come back, get ready. Then we're gonna go, I don't know. But then we have a play to go to called Thoughts of a Colored Man. We have tickets to go to the Met, but I don't know if we actually gonna go to the Met. We'll see. But y'all wanna go to the Met? Or you wanna go to the Color Factory? I mean, the ice cream museum. I'm sure there's other fun things to do. I wish we can do the, I want to do the 1,000 box challenge. But a tour bus? So we're about to get our breakfast, then we'll eat, then we're gonna get ready, then we're gonna go out. So we went to go eat our food. We went to the restaurant called Bread and Butter. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese and on a croissant. It was really good. Well, it was all right. It was too much egg, and I asked for scrambled egg, but they didn't give me scrambled egg. So anyways, this is my outfit. I got on these. I'm about to put on my black jean jacket. I'll insert some pictures of me with it on. And then I have my Protect Black Women bag. Gotta support black businesses, so I bought this bag. It is vegan leather as well. Super cute. So I think we're about to go to the Met, not the Met Gala, but the Met. And we're trying to think of some other stuff to do. I don't know what we're about to do. We're really just about to waste time until 8 o'clock for our Broadway theater show. We're gonna go see Thoughts of a Colored Man. Thoughts of a Colored Man, featuring Luke James and some other amazing actors. I just don't know their names. I know their faces. I think that's gonna be a really good show, and I'm really excited because I love me some Luke James with his fans. So I love that man, and he can sing. I hope they sing. I don't know if they just doing poems or something, or if they singing, but I hope he's singing. But anyways, we just chilling in the hotel right now. My mom's doing some work, and then we're gonna hit the streets. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. So right now we are in the In America exhibit. So this is like inspirations from the Met Gala this year. 45. It's a really cute restaurant near the theater. We're about to go to the theater after this and see Thoughts of a Colored Man.
I got this picture of this shrimp.
That's strong. I got a pina colada. It's good.
So good.
I don't know what I'm about to order, but I'll talk to y'all later. So it's literally been like a week since I left New York. Probably like a week and a couple days. And right now I'm at home. I just got off work. I edited like the full video, but I need to like insert the pieces that I didn't show in New York. So that's what I'm about to talk to you about. So after we left Bond 45, we went to the theater across the street to see Thoughts of a Colored Man, and that was bomb. Like, that show was really good. It was very deep, I would say. Luke James did sing. I did get to see Luke James. I did get to make eye contact with him, but we're going to get to that later. We're going to get to that later. But it was a really good show. The show was amazing. It was just amazing. It's just something that y'all have to go see. Yeah, it was good. It was very good.
And here I was just wrapping up the vlog, and basically I was saying that was it for the New York vlog. I had a lot of fun in New York. This was my 3rd time going to New York, and yeah, it was a ton of fun. I always document all of my trips, but I usually just do montages instead of actual vlogs. So this was different for me. And I think this is something I'm going to continue to do in the future and post it on YouTube. So
yeah, so if you want
thank you guys for watching. And I know it sounds like I'm in the toilet bowl right now, but I promise the rest of my videos will be better. I do have some cool videos coming. So please subscribe, like, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.